Hi, this is the OPPO A2x and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So first let's launch the Google app, tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Click to the voice section or to Google Assistant and tap then to Hey Google and voice match. And to activate Hey Google feature, click on the switcher. Now we could see that this option enabled successfully, and now we should add our voice model. So click to retain voice model and repeat after that assistant. Say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then just tap to next, not now. And we could see that the Hey Google feature enabled successfully. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.